Now, we're huge fans of garden lights here at the Gurus. They're great for enhancing the look of your home and highlighting your beautiful garden. But in the past, many of the options available were not durable or lasting. And then there were quality outdoor lights that were incredibly expensive. But everything's changed now with this new system. Now, I've shown you the Holman lighting system before. It is absolutely fabulous. It's revolutionised it, and a lot of it's got to do with this plug and socket system, which waterproofs the whole lighting process, which is the big killer for garden lights in the past. So with this, it's easy to install the system throughout, and to do it here in my garden, well, I'm going to put it in around the creek with a pond, and along this creek line where the tree ferns are, it will look amazing. Won't it, buddy? It all starts with a controller, which has a Bluetooth control linked to your smartphone, allowing you to control the light display, the colours, when it turns on and off, all from the comfort of your seat, without running around and turning switches on and off in the dark. So the cables are attached to the box, and from there, well, they will then attach to the light fittings. These are rated IP67. That is effectively waterproof, and it ensures that there's no moisture or dust getting in, which is vitally important when you're dealing with power in an outdoor situation. These connect to the various light fittings, and it's really quite a simple plug and play system. And when it comes to the various lights, well, there's a different light for different effects. If you're looking to highlight certain aspects of your garden, then you'll want to use these here. These are spotlights. Now, there's two main sizes: the larger 100mm lights that are ideal to light up beautiful statement trees, like this gorgeous liquid amber, bringing it into focus at night. And then there's the 75mm smaller spotlights, which are perfect for positioning around the garden to add depth within plants' foliage and to light up and line a garden bed. It's perfect for the tree fern stand along my creek edge. Wall washing is another particularly good way to highlight a feature wall, pool sides, or even the sides of a walkway. Now, how you achieve this is by pointing the spotlight towards the wall so the maximum amount of light is dispersed, positioning the fixture upwards until you're happy with the effect. I want you to picture your front pathway to your home, lit up with path lights. Just like a good set of fairy lights in a tree, these can leave you with the same magical feel to your home. And they make it a lot safer at night too. The best thing about these lights is you can pick different lights for different purposes in your garden, whether it be a large garden or a small garden. You can pick the right size, and then you can also use the app, which you can run straight off your smartphone, to just adjust the colours to suit your mood, or maybe to suit the event you're having. If it's a party, you might want a bright colour like that, or maybe something a little bit more tranquil. It's absolutely brilliant, this system, something you can do at home yourself, and you should be doing it now just in time for Christmas.